Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. The Audi S6 e-tron is getting closer to reality as spy photographers have captured a nearly undisguised prototype. As you can see, the slick Avant model, which will be the electric counterpart to the gas-powered S7 following Audi's reshuffled naming scheme, features a fully enclosed grille flanked by split lighting units. These are accompanied by a substantial intake and angular air curtains. The streamlined styling continues further back as the model has been equipped with camera mirrors and minimalist door handles. We can also see sleek bodywork, muscular rear haunches, and an upward sweeping beltline. They're joined by a rakish windscreen that flows into a long sloping roof. The rear is home to slender taillights and an angular window that is surrounded by aerodynamic aids. Designers also gave the car a pronounced diffuser and a curvaceous bumper. Spy photographers didn't get close enough to snap interior pictures, but the cabin could follow in the footsteps of the Q6 e-tron. That remains to be seen, but the crossover has an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.5-inch infotainment system, and a 10.9-inch front passenger display. Additional details are limited, but the wagon will ride on the all-new PPE platform. Its powertrain could also echo the Q6 e-tron, which will have a 100 kilowatts per hour battery pack and a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces approximately 375 horsepower, 280 kilowatts. This setup should enable the crossover to have a range of around 373 miles, 600 kilometers, in the WLTP cycle. The S6 e-tron concept had a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with 469 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 590 pound-foot, 800 Newton-meters of torque. The car was also said to have a WLTP range in excess of 435 miles, 700 kilometers. While plenty of questions remain, it looks like we'll be getting our answers relatively soon. I would like to hear your opinion about new 2025 Audi S6 Avant E-tron, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.